Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study SSD efficiently step by step. Break your syllabus into weekly goals, set focused 45 to 60-minute study blocks, and use active recall immediately after reading chapters. Create one-page concept maps for each topic and summarize key dates, causes, and consequences in bullet form. Review maps with spaced repetition and test yourself with past questions to build confidence and retention. Use active study methods that make SSD engaging and memorable. Turn chapter headings into focused questions and answer them aloud after each paragraph. Build timeline charts and cause-effect diagrams for events and condense each section into a 1-minute verbal summary. Practice by teaching a peer or recording yourself, then re-listen and correct mistakes. This hands-on approach speeds comprehension and improves recall for exams and essays. Consistent practice and structured review are the backbone of efficient SSD study. Set weekly revision slots and use spaced repetition to revisit key maps and summaries. Simulate exam conditions with timed past paper practice to sharpen phrasing and time management. After each practice, review errors thoroughly and update your study map to target weak areas. This cycle of practice, review, and adjustment steadily improves accuracy and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.